the previous year, Instagram had a different algorithm. If you are still using the old method to grow on Instagram even now, perhaps you won't be able to grow that much. The reason for this is that Instagram has changed its algorithm in 2022 because of the increasing competition between different platforms. To help you increase your audience and business, we will be discussing this algorithm with you. Instagram algorithm for videos and reels. Instagram brings you reels, which is basically a short video from different categories of accounts, and it favors the one which has gone viral over time. However, it records certain things like what sort of videos you watch, kind of reels you are consistently liking, what variety of reels you are putting more emphasis on, and what categories of reels and videos you have saved. Instagram favors the reel and video of the account which is earning popularity in terms of likes, shares, and views. Updated Instagram algorithm for stories. Users post stories to stay in connect with the audience and to keep them updated. Failing to update your audience about yourself and your work regularly will not build a strong connection. However, certain things should be kept in mind before updating stories. This shows how the Instagram algorithm works. The first thing is that Instagram favors the account that regularly interacts with its audience. For this, if you provide content, then your story should not be left unupdated. Make Instagram give priority to your story, and to make your content reach maximum users, you must write related keywords and tag related people in your stories. It makes Instagram think that your content is significant. If you consume content, then Instagram gives priority to those whom you have interacted with most. It has nothing to do with time. Updated Instagram algorithm for Explore page. Instagram algorithm brings content that you are most likely to consume in one place collectively. These are ranked according to the popularity and the content you watch and mostly. Instagram prioritizes the post on the basis of likes, shares, and how many views it gained in a particular time. How to grow on Instagram using Instagram algorithm 2022. You are a content creator, then using the Instagram algorithm 2022, you can outperform other creators within less time using little hard work and more smart work. Let's see how the working of Instagram algorithm 2022 will let you grow your account. The first thing that you should keep in your mind is that Instagram will not favor users who follow the follow and follow rule. Previously, it was being noticed that to grow followers easily and more rapidly on Instagram, users follow the follow and follow rule. No doubt, it increases followers rapidly, but what is more concerning is that Instagram no longer favors these things. Instagram is very smart, and if you think you can fool it, then you must change your perception, because if Instagram finds you doing this, it will not only decrease your reach but also can block you. So be aware of it. Instagram favors videos over photos. Instagram is no longer just an image sharing platform. It has become more than that over time, especially after the introduction of Reels. Its CEO has also said that Instagram is now competing with short videos creating platforms like TikTok. Therefore, Instagram is favoring videos more over posts. So to grow your account, try to create short videos of 1 second. This not only gives you an edge but also increases your views. The third tip that you should keep in your mind is that Instagram has started giving priority to keywords. If you want an edge, then start using the right keywords in your captions. Instagram algorithm 2022 is favoring keywords over hashtags. This does not mean there is no use of hashtags. You can use up to 10 relevant hashtags. Quality over quantity. Consistency is one thing, but Instagram is prioritizing the original content more, even if you are not that consistent. Previously and even now, consistency is one thing and is important now as well, but now you have to focus more on the quality of the content that is adding some value to other lives. Instagram Instagram now know if your content is original. If you are still downloading videos from other platforms and other Instagram IDs and posting them directly on Instagram, then you need to stop doing it right now. Instagram now distinguishes between original and fake content. So to avoid this thing, you need to show some creativity with your downloaded video, such as you can edit that video, you can edit the background, you can write something on that video or something like that, so that Instagram thinks that it is your video or it is you who is making this video and posting on its platform. So this was it. If you have any query related to this video, then feel free to ask that in comment section, and thank you so very much.